Hi there, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to introduce the latest prize draw, and this time the prize comes from my personal stash. It's the BAC TSR2 in 1/48 scale from Airfix. Now this kit was released just once in 2009 and as such is a very sought after kit of an extremely popular aircraft and regularly sells at about £100 or so on auction sites. But now you could win your very own kit for as little as £1 by entering the prize draw. All you have to do is head to this website, link is repeated in the information box below, and register if you haven't done so already. You may be asked to answer a simple question, but use your skill in judgment. I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to, and then you'll be able to buy tickets for the draw. Each ticket costs £1, and there are multi-buy offers available. Best of all, 10% of the revenue from this prize draw will go straight to Models for Heroes. A link to this very excellent charity is also in the information box below. The draw is open right now and will run until the end of Saturday 11th of July. That's midnight British summer time. At that time, my online partner raffle will independently and at random draw a winning ticket. I'll contact the winner by email, so make sure the one you use to register is correct. I'll mail the prize to you no matter where you are, entirely at my own expense. So that's it for today. The very best of luck to you if you enter the draw. Thanks so much for watching and goodbye.